How many of us is watching? How many of us is watching? Okay, I can see you. Price is reflecting that region. It moves up, come back down, move up, come back down, move up, come back down. Do Kwaku accept crypto deposit? Yes, it is even faster with crypto. Very fast. It's very, 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 very fast. With crypto, it's very fast. That is automated. Obviously, crypto is an automation. So it's an automated system. All right, so I'm sure you guys are still there. What price are we selling for? Are we selling or buying? We are selling. Now let me show you. Let me flip my camera again so you guys can see clearly. On the screen, you guys notice that check guys. So price is currently at this point. So I want price to move up a bit to this region and then we'll short. Why? This red line that you see there is not just an ordinary line, it's a zone which is 655. All right, 655. At psychological level. Price move back up into this box, we'll short. What leverage should we set as our MT5 on our MT5? Me, I chose a leverage of 1. Okay, I currently have a leverage of 1 to 100. That's too small, honestly. If you're trading a small account, that's because it's a $5,000 account. But usually I want to change my leverage to 1 to 500 at least, or 1 to 1,000. That's what I want to do. So leverage, if you have a small account, choose bigger leverage. 1 to 5,000 is what I would recommend. If you have $50, $100, 1 to 5,000. But if you have, let's say, $1,000, you can choose a leverage of 1 to 1,000. There, but leverage is an amount of money that the broker is willing to lend to you to trade. When you are done, they take it back. So it can actually hurt you, and it can also make you fortune, in the sense that you can be able to purchase a contract size you ordinarily will not be able to purchase with your own money with the help of leverage. And you can also hurt you because since you now know that you have money that is borrowed, that will now make you start taking huge risks that you shouldn't take. Because when your margin is liquidated, then the brokers usually will take their leverage, which is their money, and then your account is blown. That's what we mean by account blown. Account Ilano. That's usually what happens to guys over leverage. So thing is, no leverage, know how to use it effectively. That is what is really important. All right. Now I'm still checking out. Checking the analysis. Okay, someone said I use my UK ID card. That's why they've not verified me. Yes, you can get verified if it's UK. Like if you are from Africa, you've got any Africa license that you've got. You can also try that. But I know most of my mentees are in the UK. They are getting verified and they are trading effortlessly. All right, they are trading really well. Okay, now let's go. Let me do one more thing. Now, when we get in on this trade at this point, we're about to get in on the trade pretty soon. Whenever we get in on the trade, all you just have to do for me is please use a stop loss. Have a stop loss in mind, a mental stop that is above this high. Let me put a line. This will be our stop loss. A stop loss that is above this high. So let me turn this color to something that we can easily remember. Let me turn the color to, say, from red, so you can differentiate, to blue. That will be our stop loss. The blue line will be our stop loss, and let me make it a little bit thicker. This pair is Swift 200. It's only available on Kwaku market. So for those who are asking, what pair is this? So let me take at least 2 people to come on live so that we can just share. They can ask questions and then we get to. Let's go. Can we use the NIN for verification? Now I'm not sure of that about that. I don't want to give information I'm not sure of. I don't think NIN works at this stage, but let's see. Ali Bash, how you doing? Ali Bash, can you hear me clearly? Yeah. Price is coming to the box. Ali Bash, sorry, I have to let you go now because I'm not hearing you. It's like you have to fix your network and then you try to request again. If I get to see you again, I would pick you. All right. Who is here? Who is at home? Who is at home? Who is at home? Who wants to join? Who wants to join? Who wants to join? Who wants to join? So, trading is patience, and patience in trading it's a virtue. Patience in trading it's a virtue, big virtue that you have to inculcate. Now, price already in our box. How should we be thinking? How should we be acting? Now that price already in our box, position your account, guys. We are about to sell. We are about to sell. Let me write it on the screen. Hello, who are we with? Who is currently on the phone? Hello, Sasso Forex. Oh, Sasso Forex. How are you doing? How are you doing? Okay, can I see text? See text. I want to add text so that people will know what we are doing. So they know that it's funny. We'll call it sell. Some people will be buying. I don't want that to happen. So let me just write it out that it's a sell. We are selling. Funny enough, there's no place to write text. Or I'm the one not just seeing it. Like I'm the one not seeing it now. All right, guys, sell here, sell. Why are we selling? I see accumulation here, accumulation at this point. I'm seeing accumulation at this point. Then I feel price will drop. So let me go ahead and sell, guys. Let me go ahead and sell. Is that Tolani on the screen? Tolani, is that you? So like they're not talking. Let me let them go. So I want to sell right now. So since I'm trading an account of let me put it here. Ouch. My laptop just electrocutes me now. Okay, I'm charging it at the same time. Now check, pay attention. Since price is pushing up and it's already also in our box, price already here. Let me go ahead and sell. So I want to sell with one standard. Obviously, I'm trading a $6,000. So you just said pow. That is it. So I want to go ahead, drop my lot size to 0.2. Okay, or 0.6 since I'm trading a $6,000 account. So per each pip move, I'll be making, if it's 0.6, each pip move simply means I'll be making $6. The one I did one standard, each pip move I'll be making $10. So I'll go ahead and click sell. Please guys, it's sell, not buy. I just did two. I just did twice. So price you moved up. Can you see? Can you see? So when I will agree that I'm wrong is when price gets to this point. Oh, price keeps pumping up. So guys, just enter with 2 entries only. That last one is a mistake. Enter with 2 entries. Remember, I already had an entry before we came here. Just do 2 entries and leave the other one. This is your mental stop zone. So your mental stop would be at 1 point. Will be here. 658.35. 658.35. All right. Are you good? 658.35. Now, since I see rejection, I'm seeing even more hesitation. Can you see that hesitation? It sits down and then we'll be in very good profit now. So this is what I want to do again. This is what I want to do now. Time to call. Don't call. All right, so I'll wait a little bit. I want this current candle to pop up a bit. Then I want to enter with 2 standards now. Why am I entering with 2 standards? Because I see that it's giving rejection, then this level will hold. So let me go ahead and adjust. I'm going to do 2.0. Since it's just risky. What? Why is it showing? Okay, let me try one lot. Maybe not enough. Oh, Yeah. I remember it might not be enough money because my leverage is 1 to 100. See, that's what I'm telling you guys. Don't choose a smaller leverage like mine. Let me show you guys why that is happening. Let me show you guys why it is happening. Wow. I just messed up right now. And how to change leverage is, let me show you guys on my Quackle back end. So this is my account right now. So you can see it's a live account. Please guys, don't play around with my account number. It's a live account, all right? 6,492, and then my leverage is 1 to 100. Oh my god, I should be in crazy profit right now. I should be in crazy profit with 2 standards, but leverage is holding me back. Hey, holding me back. Hey. Okay, now you know what, guys? If you have the capacity, do 2 standards right now. Let me explain. Let's go back. Let's that not distract us. Leverage is holding me back, right? The leverage is holding me back. It's holding me back. That's like a gravity right now. I don't like it. Hey. Now let me explain leverage real quick with this opportunity. I think it's a very good time for me to explain leverage. Leverage simply means, if now that I have leverage of 100, that simply means whatever amount of money I have deposited here times 100. That's the buying capacity. Hey, now that it even pop up, again, an opportunity should go in here again. An opportunity should go. Let me try with 0.1. Let me try with 0.1 to sell again. Okay, it worked. Yes, 0.1 again. Okay, I've done 2 so far. It worked. All right, so let's go now. 100 leverage simply means I have a buying capacity of 6,492 times 100. So let's do the math together. Let's use calculator. So times 100. I just want us to do it together, even though I know some of you have the stuff. No, it's 649,000. Let me put 0. I can't remember the full amount. Times 100. That means this is the buying capacity that I have right now. I can place. I have $649,000 worth of equity that I can actually have right now. That's what this simply means. Okay, 649,000. And meanwhile, I currently have trades of, remember, one standard lot size is 100,000 units. All right, that's how it works. 100,000. So that's why you see, if you go to, I don't just, I'm giving you too much lecture. I feel I'm teaching you too much. You just want to make money and live, or do you want me to teach you? You want me to school you, or you want me to? Now let me show you. That's why if you put $6,000 right here now, 6,490, and I say I want to risk 5% of that, for example, and I say I want to use 30 pip stop loss. People say I should teach. Okay, now let's go. I hope you guys are following me on Instagram. So you notice that the recommended lot size is one standard lot size, right? If all these parameters are true, one standard lot size, that's 1.08. And what is the position size in units? One standard lot size simply means you need to bring 108,166 of the base currency in order for you to trade this particular currency pair. The same is true with indices. All right, I know we're already in profit, guys. Profit everywhere, money everywhere. Let me not teach you guys. Let's be hyper. We'll talk about leverage some other time. Just know that that's how leverage works. I've made tons of videos regarding that on YouTube. All right, go watch it. Can we flip 10 times? Yes, you can. Just know that the leverage hack you have to know is, if it is a small account you have, choose big leverage. Quackle have leverage of 1 to 5,000. So don't be like me, I'm going to choose leverage of 1 to 100. Nah. If you know you have small account, big leverage. If you have bigger account, you want to be risk conservative, choose smaller leverage. All right, but leverage, if you have small leverage, it will limit you not to place too much trade. All right, so that is just the hack. That's the hack. Oh, Thanksgiving. People are saying that Thanksgiving already. Now, if you make money, just raise your hand. Let me unmute you and then tell us how much you've made. If you've made money right now while in the class, raise your hand. I know when I was talking, some people would be like, this guy has come again. He's just teaching nonsense. Now they can see proof again, because we don't just talk, we see proof. You see proof everywhere. Hey, it's retraced. Our proof is retracing though. May your proof not retrace in Jesus' name. May your proof not retrace in Jesus' name. My proof is retracing. When I'm about to show proof and it's not start retracing up, guy, they want me. We say thanks, we appreciate. Congratulations, man. Let me ask him to come on live. Oh, Dami said he's making money too. JJFX said he's making money. Yeah, you guys say top G, big ups, man. I mean, what are friends for? I think if you're not following me, right, this is just the best time for you to start following me. If you are hating, now is the best time for you to just start loving me. Send me a message and tell me, Jeff, I love you. If you were hating before. So what's up? How's it going, Dami? I can't hear Dami. Oh, Dami, what are you saying now? I can't hear Dami. Can you guys hear Dami? If you can hear Dami, just drop number one. If you can hear Dami, drop number one. Dami, I can't hear you honestly. Dami, I can't hear you. I might have to let Dami go. Can you guys hear him? But people say they can't. They say they can't. He say, who want hit tatata? You go call left now. You go shock you. You see the 8 too. Thanks, man. Thanks, guys. Hey, Jeff, you're the best. I salute you guys. Thank you guys, because I don't think I'll be here if not for you guys. So just know that it is scalping with synthetic. There's nothing, see, with synthetic, whether it's on Kwaku, whether it's on Derive, scalping. You see, Jeff, you're not just good at trading, but also making it fun. I'm more funny. Oh, thank you. I never knew that was funny, but I'm just doing my thing, bruh. Hey. Sell, don't try to go and buy. If you want to lose money, buy. If you want to make money with me, sell. Just follow my signal. If you want to make money, follow my signal. Sell. Except you want to lose. Hey. Now let me show a little bit of chat. Just keep it selling. Just keep selling, but don't over leverage. Now, one thing people don't know is someone that has a $50 account. Let me explain something. For someone that has a $50 account, number one, in order for you to flip an account, you have to have good entry. You guys saw what happened on my GBP USD trade right now. What only happened on my GBP USD? I had good entry for a buy on GBP USD, please, and then I had the tight stop loss. As he was moving, I started stacking. Now, if you don't have a good entry, please don't over leverage. Don't put too much big loss sign. It's when you have a good entry now for a sell at the top. If it start going in your favor, don't put too much big loss sign. Drop small. When it retraces like this again, now that you are seeing a retracement, right? At the time that it pushed up, you have entered another entry. Not that is now at this point that you're not entry. Wait for price to pump up a bit. If you want to add position. Add position when it is pumped up. Only add position when it is pumped up. Add some more. Now let me try and see if I can squeeze in extra 0.1 if my leverage will let me. This is too expensive. Okay, now it's pumping up. If I sell now, this price is too expensive. For those who are wondering what product is this, just go on my bio, sign up with Kwaku and register with the MT5, and then you have this. Oh, I can't enter now. If you enter now, it's wrong move. You don't enter when the market is going in your favor. No, you enter when things are going bad, and then you rejoice when it's going well now. Yeah, people will start helping on. Don't worry, you don't enter there. That's when you should be taking profits. That's what Warren Buffett said. He said we don't go into market when everything is looking good. Remember Bitcoin when it was 64K? That was when my people in the village now heard, hey, let's say there's one thing I used to give people money. Is it true? Can I start buying? Can I buy? I said, now that you're hearing at 64K, it is risky. It is better you start buying when it was 2,000, when it was 10,000, even when it was 20,000. If you had bought, fine. You don't buy when things are okay. You buy when market is in, everybody's losing hope. That's when you take advantage. You buy and you sell off when everybody's enthusiastic. They feel that, oh, this is the future. To the moon. You say to the people that are saying to the moon. That's how it works. Now check again. Price is pumping up again. Don't say I didn't tell you. If you do not have an entry before, get in on an entry, like just one. Ta. One. I just did one again. One. Now, if this price retraces down, I will hop out. If this price now, I'm not entering again. Now that I see that it's pulling against me, no more entry. If I see that, if I see that it's pulling down in my favor, no more entry. Remember, do not stack your capital away. Do not stack your capital away. Only if it is 3 your account can carry without much drawdown where your mental stop would take you to, only take 3 positions. Because my account is 6,000 and I'm using very low lot size. The maximum lot size I have here now is one standard lot size. So if you have an account of $100, I don't expect you to use more than 0.03, just as we calculated if you are risking 10%. So even in all the strategy, the biggest strategy or the biggest part of my trading is still risk management. I keep it real. Now on this account, I'm not risking so much more than I'm not risking. Check my profit. Check, calculate all the lot size. 1, 2, 3, 3 standards, 4, 5, 5 standard, 6 plus 6, that's 1.2, 6.6 standard, lot size 6, 6.7, 6.76, 6.76 lot size in total, 6.76, and this is $6,000. I want you to replicate this. If you have a $600 account, replicate this and just remove 0 at the back of that lot size. This is what you need to do. Just manage your risk. You are fine. Manage your risk. You are fine. That's trading. Manage your risk and you are fine. Good. Somebody's asking, why don't you just use one big lot size and leave and lock up? Nah, I won't do that. The reason why I won't do that is, imagine I had used 6 standard lot size at this point. What would have been my fate? I've done my analysis and I use 6 standard lot size at this point. Now that it's moving up, would I be in profit? I'll be in loss. So it is better I spread my risk across. That's what we call dollar cost averaging system. It's not just peculiar to me. I didn't introduce this system. It's been for long. In fact, this is one system that Warren Buffett used to get rich. That is what he does. If you have $1,000 to risk, don't use the whole $1,000 at once. Split it into 5. Go with $200 first. Risk $200. If it move against you again, risk another $200. Whether or not it move against you, just keep reading. Stick to the plan. You're not looking at whether it's moving against you or it's going against you. You're not thinking when you're already in trade. Just do what your plan has already said. That is the logic behind it. Jeff, please, can you do a video on this? Yes, I'll make an entire course. I said I'm going to make an entire course on this. First, I'll release it to my mentees, release it to the beginners to cash out course, and before it finally comes to the mainstream. If somebody said take water, thank you. I'll take your advice seriously. Festus, thank you very much. I know you love me. That's why you're actually that you don't want me to choke. Thank you. Now price has dropped again to the zone. Bye. I'm closing my trade, guys. Let me close my trade. Price has dropped. You see, it moves very fast. Now we are up. Now the other time we are losing money. Now I'm already up $600. Now my account I started with $5,000 the other day is now currently $7,000. Man, I'm done. If this is the only thing I'm able to do for this week, I'm done. Let me close out. Guys, just hold on. Let's close out together. Flip. Oh, I can't see clearly because filming and doing everything at the same time is not easy. Flip. Press this yellow and close. Close. I love to close out the bigger ones first because I don't want my profit to retrace. No way. Catching it. Close out, guys. Don't say I didn't tell you. If you are still holding, now you don't give yourself signal without to not be me give you signal again. Wallahi. I'm closing out everything. So I've been able to explain the lot sizing. I've been able to explain how the stop loss work. Now we are currently at 7,190. So it's a real account. I'm sure you guys already saw it. It's a real account, guys. You already saw it at the back end. So here's I deposited 5,000. My commission, okay, they charged me commission of $24. Okay, swap of $24. Okay, like I kept some trade overnight, and now here is it. I lost some, I won some when I was testing and all of that. Close out. Close. Now, okay, somebody said I just took mine. If you make profit right now, withdraw the profits you made. Withdraw because withdraw is sure. Withdraw, guys.
He said, "Who's your guy?" Withdraw. Trading is simple. Don't complicate it. It's very simple, guys. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Now, whether or not this trade goes in my favor 1,000 people later, or it keep dropping, you will not see another psychological part. You will not see me and I come back to each other and be like, I should have held though. If I had known, I should have held though. Me, you won't see me in that pity party. I'm not available. I'm unavailable. They know they see. I don't regret any trade I close out. So even if this trade keep going down or keep going up, I'm no longer in. I'm done. I'm done. Run, guys. Okay, now somebody is asking that, saying that withdraw is not working. Withdraw is working. I just have to do it. So withdraw through crypto or withdraw through enemies. Don't just go ahead and withdraw right now. It's working. Everybody's on desk. They are working, ready to pay you out. Somebody says, "Yeah, but they speak me. Knife food don't show." On God. That's what I love to see things like this, because I know what it is to have nothing. I know what it is to be looking up to someone else for 1,000 naira. I know what it is to have a lot, or to have $1,000,000. I know what it is to have millions of dollars. I know what it is to. So I know the feeling, man. So congratulations. Somebody say, "Can I go over the trade?" Sorry, you came late. Sorry, came late. So for this thing I'm doing, I do know how much this will cost. You shouldn't come late for anything. So subscribe, so that if you didn't get the notification, probably you are not subscribed to me. If you subscribe, if you have got notification. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Now, something that I want you guys to do. If you've got any complaints or whatsoever regarding deposit, please listen to me one more time on Quaco. To get your deposit done under 5 to 15 minutes after making this are for those that are doing bank transfer, not for crypto, guys. It's automated. If you are paying with crypto, whether Bitcoin, USDT, automation, everything is automated. All right. But if you are doing bank transfer, please kindly upload your proof of payment and put the amount at the down. Once you click on the payment, scroll down, you're going to see a provided box where you have to upload those things. Once you do that, if you don't see your deposit reflect in 15 minutes or max 1 hour, call me. Don't worry. Call me. I will give you free signal. I almost said call me. I'll give you $1,000. I remember that you guys will be on my neck. No. Don't call me for that. Just call me. All right. I'm just joking. Don't call me anyways. But trust me, you will get it approved. All right. How much is your VIP signal? I don't offer paid signal. My signals are free. Use the link in the description box. Use the link in the bio. I'm forgetting I'm on Instagram. Use the link in bio to join my free Telegram, so you can get all the signals for free. I'm also doing the April challenge. Please, guys, note, April challenge, I started with $1 million. Right now, I'm currently about $1.6 million that I made live account again. All right. So let me show you guys that journey. I know it's something that you guys would love to want to follow me on. All right. My account. Let me show you guys. I know you guys have been waiting for that too. We are done with the Swift trading. So now look at it. This is an account I started with $1 million. Today I made $101,000, and this trade I called it out. Don't say I didn't tell you. I called it straight, and everybody ate from it, even in the community. This is my signal channel. I will drop the link to the signal channel in my story. So if you are not in yet, just hold on a while, and then you will join. Just stay on my story. You'll be a part of those. You'll have access to it pretty soon. So can you see? I'm always sharing my signals. I don't eat alone. In this kingdom of mine, I don't eat alone. For me to eat alone is a sin. So that is why I called this trade from this point, boom, to the other side for a buy. You saw that opportunity. So we all ate off of this trade. All right. I ate off of this trade. Now you check on this account. I'm not here to show you the account balance. It's not about that. Okay, who is bigger, who is that? Nah. Just to show you what I did, so that you guys, if you want to replicate the same thing, everybody that follow me on this challenge, people that are closely following me, they also should make about 64%. That's what I've made. So let me show you since I started. Let me show you weekly result. So far so good. This week my profit is $389,000. $389,000. All right, and the balance right now, that's the profit that I've made. So you can see my wins and my losses at the same time. So if I'm to show 1 month, I started this challenge. So far so good on this account. I've made $774,000. Remember, I made a withdrawal of 124k. I made a withdrawal of 124k before I started. Remember, it was 1,124k. I made a withdrawal of 124k. Now I'm left with 1 million when I started, and then that's why you see that all these things. It was when the deposit came, and then blah, 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 blah. You can see here was where I made a withdrawal for 124k. 124k withdrawal. All right, and here I started trading. Funny enough, my first 3 trades, I lost crazy money. My eye clear. Yeah. I lost 1, 2, 3. I lost 8,000. I lost 7,000. I lost 4,000. I know people were banting me everywhere in the Telegram channel. So, oh, Chef doesn't know how to trade. This other day again, I lost money, but I still kept on. Because trading is not all about wins. It's losses and profits. All right, it's not about wins. Because there are times that what make an expert trader is not a trader that doesn't take losses at all. You would always take losses. It's a must. You would take losses are part of the game. Thing is your win more than your losses? That's the question you have to answer. If it is yes, Babe, you're okay. Let me do like Tinubu. You're okay. You're okay. That's all you need. That's all you need. Ever you need. All right. So now I'm currently up about 64%. Now, please kindly note, results are not typical. Because I made 64% this month doesn't mean I'm going to make the same next month. In fact, next month it might even be negative. Next month it might be negative. But trust me, I'll be good. I'll always turn up. At the end of the day, I will make profit. That's one thing that is sure. I can be losing for about 3 weeks, even 1 month. If I'm coming back the next one, it is a banger. Banger. You know now. Banger. So that's this, guys. I don't like to come live regularly on Instagram because you guys used to ginger me too much. I would have to tell you guys plenty things. Okay, for those who are on this live call, right? For those who are on this live call, they'll probably be thinking, oh, this might be a demo account. Let me show you guys. It's not demo, guys, so it's real low. In case somebody's is real low. Can you see that real? Can you see real? I know what you guys are saying is some people will be saying it's demo because people are too used to demo. If something is too big, you think it's fake. All right. If it is too big, if it's bigger than your eyes, you think it's fake. All right. So that's just keep the mindset positive, know what you are doing, and then success will always keep coming. All right. So that's much I can say today. So congratulations for those guys who are following me keenly on my Instagram, on my Telegram, on my YouTube, everywhere I'm there. You guys are really killing it. I see your result every now and then. It's not everything I can repost. I see you guys winning consummate account certificate everywhere, looking like wire certificates, as if saying I expo the teacher now for exam. So I just love it. I just love how you guys are, the energy you guys are bringing it. So big ups. You guys are just the best. Take it easy. Just keep doing you. Keep doing you, guys. Take it easy. Bye.